Hello, frugal friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we're diving into the world of practicality and savings as we explore the top 10 household tips and tricks for saving money. Whether you're a seasoned, budget-savvy guru or just starting your journey to financial freedom, these tips and tricks will help you make the most of your hard-earned cash while maintaining a comfortable and efficient household. So, let's get started. Number 1, meal planning and batch cooking. Finally, let's dive into tip number 1, which is meal planning and batch cooking. This is a game changer when it comes to saving money and simplifying your daily life. Meal planning involves taking the time to sit down and plan your meals for the week ahead. By deciding what you'll eat in advance, you can create a shopping list that includes only the necessary ingredients, reducing the temptation to make impulse purchases at the grocery store. Batch cooking takes meal planning a step further. Once you've planned your meals, dedicate a day to prepare and cook several portions of those dishes. This not only saves time during busy weekdays, but also prevents you from ordering takeout on those days when you're too tired or busy to cook from scratch. Both meal planning and batch cooking reduce food waste by ensuring you use all the ingredients you buy, and can even help you discover new favorite recipes. Plus, it's an excellent way to promote healthy eating habits and reduce your overall food expenses. Number 2, embrace DIY cleaning products. Tip number 2 encourages you to embrace the DIY approach when it comes to cleaning products. Many store-bought cleaning solutions are not only costly, but also loaded with harsh chemicals that can be harmful to your health and the environment. Creating your own cleaning products using household staples like vinegar, baking soda, and lemon not only saves money but also promotes a greener and safer cleaning routine. You can find countless recipes online for homemade cleaners that are effective and eco-friendly, allowing you to maintain a sparkling clean home without breaking the bank. Number 3, energy efficiency. Being mindful of your energy usage is another great way to save money. Make sure to turn off lights and unplug devices when they're not in use. Consider investing in energy-efficient appliances and sealing drafts around windows and doors to lower your utility bills. Number 4, buy in bulk, strategically. Buying non-perishable items in bulk can be cost-effective, but be strategic about it. Focus on items you use frequently and have a long shelf life, like pasta, canned goods, and cleaning supplies. Warehouse clubs and bulk stores can be your best friend when used wisely. Number 5, grow your own herbs and vegetables. Turning our attention to tip number 5, growing your own herbs and vegetables is not only a great way to save money, but also an opportunity to connect with nature and savor the freshest produce possible. If you have even a small outdoor space or a sunny windowsill, you can embark on your gardening adventure. Herbs like basil, rosemary, and mint, as well as easy-to-grow veggies like tomatoes, peppers, and lettuce, can thrive in containers or small garden beds. Not only does homegrown produce taste better, but it also eliminates the need to buy these items at the grocery store. Plus, it's a rewarding and educational experience for the entire family. As you watch your plants grow and flourish, you'll find yourself incorporating more homegrown ingredients into your meals, saving money, and enjoying a deeper connection to your food. Number 6, cancel unnecessary subscriptions. Take a closer look at your subscriptions. Are you really using that gym membership or streaming service to its fullest? Consider canceling any subscriptions you no longer need or use regularly. Every saved dollar adds up. Number 7, secondhand shopping. Moving on to tip number 7, let's explore the world of secondhand shopping. This money-saving strategy not only helps you cut costs, but also promotes sustainability and reduces your environmental impact. Before rushing to buy something brand new, consider exploring secondhand options. Thrift stores, online marketplaces, and garage sales are fantastic places to uncover hidden treasures and quality items that won't break the bank. Thrift stores are a goldmine for budget-conscious shoppers. You'll find an array of gently used clothing, furniture, home decor, and more. often at a fraction of the original price. The thrill of the hunt and the chance to discover unique and vintage pieces make thrifting a rewarding experience. Online marketplaces like eBay, Facebook Marketplace, and various resale apps have expanded the world of second-hand shopping, making it easier than ever to find deals on everything from electronics to fashion. These platforms offer a vast selection, allowing you to search for specific items or stumble upon unexpected gems. Embracing second-hand shopping not only saves you money but also reduces the demand for new products, which, in turn, lessens the environmental impact of manufacturing and shipping. It's a win-win for your wallet and the planet. Number 8. Do your own home repairs and maintenance. Learning basic home repair and maintenance skills can save you a significant amount of money. From fixing leaky faucets to unclogging drains, there are plenty of resources online to guide you through DIY projects. Plus, the sense of accomplishment is priceless. Number 9. Reusable instead of disposable. Opt for reusable items whenever possible. Replace disposable items like paper towels with cloth towels and invest in a reusable water bottle and shopping bags. Not only will you save money, but you'll also reduce waste. Number 10. Create a budget and stick to it. Finally, let's delve into our top money-saving tip, which is to create a budget and, perhaps most importantly, stick to it. This fundamental financial practice is the cornerstone of smart financial management. Budgeting entails taking a close look at your income, expenses, and savings goals. It's a roadmap that helps you allocate your funds wisely, ensuring that every dollar has a purpose. With a well-crafted budget, you gain a clear understanding of where your money is coming from, where it's going, and how you can make the most of it. There are various approaches to budgeting, but one common method is the 50-30-20 rule. This guideline suggests that you allocate 50% of your income to essential expenses like housing, utilities, and groceries, 30% to discretionary spending like entertainment and dining out, and 20% to savings and debt repayment. However, your budget should be tailored to your unique financial circumstances and goals. Fortunately, technology has made budgeting more accessible than ever before. There are numerous budgeting apps and tools available that can streamline the process, helping you track your income and expenses in real time. These apps often provide insights into your spending habits and offer suggestions for optimizing your budget. The real challenge with budgeting, though, is not just creating it, but also sticking to it. Discipline and consistency are key. It might require adjusting your habits and making conscious choices to ensure that you stay within your budgeted limits. Remember that a budget isn't a set-and-forget strategy. Life can be unpredictable, and your financial situation may change. Regularly reviewing and adjusting your budget to accommodate these changes is essential. There you have it, our top 10 household tips and tricks for saving money. Incorporating these strategies into your daily life can help you build a more secure financial future while maintaining a comfortable and efficient household. If you found these tips helpful and have any additional money-saving suggestions or stories to share, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more practical tips on budgeting, saving, and making the most of your resources. Thanks for joining us today, and until next time, happy saving.